Hello and welcome to the channel. It's a Friday, happy Friday, and on a Friday I come to you with some strategy and development tips. And for this Friday, right, we're going to be going over long-term goals, as you may see in the description already. So let's get straight into it. So a successful best-selling author, T. Harv Eker, he says, right, that the way you think, it changes your feelings, alright? And then your feelings, depending on your feelings, that then depends on your actions. Okay, it depends on what you actually do, right? And then your actions, okay, the actions that you take, that's what brings you your results. Okay? So this is why it's important to actually have a long-term goal, because you gotta make sure that you're thinking, right? That you're thinking about what it is that you're aiming for. You got a purpose that's driving you forward throughout your days and your weeks and your months, and it's keeping you fired up in your days. All right. And another great inspirational one is that a dream written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan backed by actions makes your dreams come true. So this is another great reason why you gotta have long-term goals. Alright, if you got dreams, write it down, put a date on it, and start to section that down into an actual plan, and we'll get there. Alright, we'll get there. But obviously, along the way, it's not gonna be easy. You need that motivation, you need a good purpose to be driving you. But in this video, what I'm gonna be going over is the importance of a long-term goal and how to set it. So, first of all, what I'm going to go over is a 5-year goal. So me personally, I've set my 5-year goal. The way that I've set my 5-year goal is I've basically said things that I want to have done in that 5-year period. Okay? And then I've then calculated how much it's going to cost. Alright, so let me give you an example. So one of the things, I split it into 10 different sections, okay? And one of the sections is to do with family. So I say that I've taken my immediate family away to a luxurious holiday in USA and met relatives that are currently out there. I'm able to provide more than needed for my family without putting myself into any trouble. And we spend very good, high quality time together, all right? So bam, that's one main thing. That's one main thing that I will definitely get done, okay, in 5 years' time. And then I broke that down into how much money it's actually gonna cost. So I said, I'm gonna need 4 flights for 4 people in first class, which is going to be £16,000. 3 different 5-star hotels totaling to 14 nights, which is £10,000. A luxury car rental, G-Wagon, Tesla X, Porsche Panamera, for a total amount of days we're away, £5,000, and then the list goes on about just basically exactly how I want to be spending the time. And I've totaled it up to cost me £61,500. Okay, so then I wrote down my cost, and I've basically done this with each and every individual section and come to an actual number with how much I'm going to spend in that year to actually be able to achieve what I want to go for. Alright? And then once I've come up with that number, I've then created a total income target that I need to be achieving at that time to actually, cover what it is that I'm aiming for. And then I break it down into what are actually going to be the sources of income that's helping me get to that total yearly income target. Alright? And yeah, it's literally a pretty long plan. I'll just show it real quick. Can you see this? You can't really see it, but it's a long plan, right? And yeah, it really does help me stay on track with my day-to-day stuff. It gives me something to look forward to and actually make sure that I'm actually on my job right now to make sure that I get there. I'm doing the things, I'm focusing on the stuff that's going to get me there. And it helps me to stay focused. And this is a great reason why, you should be doing it as well, because it helps you to stay focused. It also gives you a purpose, an actual drive through your days. okay, and just keeps you focused. You need to be focused with these goals, man. You need to be focused. So once the 5-year goal has been done, this then needs to be broken down into, let's say, a 1-year goal. So, you know, in the 1 year, what do you need to do that's going to get you closer to that 5-year goal? Alright, and for me personally, for my 1-year goals, I've got a nice vision board for the stuff that I want to get done. I'll show you that real quickly. So, and it breaks down exactly what I want to be doing. So this is the vision board, right? And like the first one is that I said that we have closed our first rent-to-rent deal. Now it's time to go to Hamboa, which is a beautiful restaurant, okay, a beautiful restaurant, and go to the cinema and watch a film. You know, right now in this time, restaurants are shut, cinema's shut, so we're gonna have to delay that one because we can actually tick that one off, which is good. And then this is a goal that I set as well. So down here, I said that I've reached 100 kilogram body weight. Now it's time to go on a supercar driving experience, okay? I reached that like, I think 2 months ago, and believe me, it was a hard one. It was emotional as well. It's getting pretty big, and I was getting a belly on me as well. It's getting a belly on me, and it's emotional, man. I couldn't fit my clothes. But I've ticked that one off, and all I need to do now is book the experience. And then another one, for example, let's say, yeah, so another one down there, it's another driving experience, but basically I've said that I'm a qualified accountant, now it's time to go on a supercar experience. So I've literally just passed my last exam and I've become qualified. So that's another thing I need to tick off the list. Alright, and these things right there, okay, it's just something to treat myself with after I've actually achieved the goals. So it can be another thing that's a great driver towards getting the goals. And then after you got your 1-year goal written down, okay, this it has my 1-year goal in it, but I've split it down into the different sections that I need to do before achieving the full 1-year goal. So I know what I need to work towards. I've written it down, and yeah, I've written it down. It really helps. It helps make me stay focused and also reward myself once I've got to a certain milestone. And that's what you need, you know. You know, we work hard and we play hard, alright? The song wasn't written for no reason, you know. It's a true song. Right. And yeah, that is basically what I want to go over, man. If there's anything that you want to ask me, or if you like the video, give it a like, yeah? Comment in the box below if you got any questions, if you want to see a more in-depth version of this. And yeah, subscribe to the channel because I've got more stuff coming for you every Friday on strategy and development. So, peace out.